How to win USA job market with this COVID-19 situation. So, today we can talk about that. With this COVID-19 situation, lots of people had to leave from their jobs because lots of companies were closed because companies missed their customers. So, people have not enough money to purchase various products. That's why the companies miss their clients. But now, this lockdown situation is going down day by day. But all company owners are difficult to open their businesses again with all team because they lost a big profit during this curfew time and now they have not enough money to maintaining a big team or a big staff. So they are going to reduce their team members. Because of this reason, you have a chance to miss your job. And with this situation, companies don't like to get new staff members. So now job vacancies are reducing step by step. So how do you face for this situation? Today we can talk about this situation deeply to win from this situation. So, you can be an online freelancer or you can start your own business. Now, people only think about their main needs. So, people try to buy food, medicine, and mainly education if they couldn't buy new clothes. So, you have to focus about for these three areas if you going to start a new business because these are the highest valuable business industries these days and very easy to start. So if you hope to start a small business physically or online, you can collect some food items and you can create a small storeroom on your home and you can buy a Shopify or other online web shop and you can list your items and then you can boost your shop through social media advertisements and you can collect some orders. Then you can connect with delivery services and you can earn some money through this online shop. Then you can step by step grow your online shop maintaining the orders well. If you are clever to teach, then you can teach through YouTube and you can earn money through AdSense and you can create online lessons for selling for website like Udemy or you can give your lessons through Zoom sessions and you can monetize your Zoom lessons. Wow, actually there are so many tricks to monetize your Zoom lessons. So how we can monetize Zoom lessons? You can connect with an online payment platform and you do a social media campaign to your target audience. You say them that you should pay this payment for your registration. So after they pay a registration fee through an online payment method, then you can send them their Zoom invitation. So that is the easiest way to monetize your Zoom lecture session. So these are few ideas about online small businesses. Second method is you can be a freelancer. So who is an online freelancer? If you have a talent or skill, if you have a talent or skill for any industry, then you can sell your talent through internet for various clients. So that is the main job. Job of online freelancer. As an example, if you have skills to graphic designing, software development, app development, video editing, web development, digital painting, translations, logo designing, game development like that, you can get client projects for these skills. You can use Fiverr, Freelancer, People Per Hour and Upwork websites for doing these freelancing projects. And final method is if you have a good programming knowledge, you can make some Make some apps or games with your friends and you can publish them into Apple Store or Google Play Store to generate some revenue. So this is the basic idea about how to win this situation. We hope to bring more videos in the future. So please subscribe our channel.